Hello, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Walang sound. Charing. Good morning everyone. Happy Isabela, mabuhay. And Happy Labor's Day. Tama ba? Happy ba? Dapat masaya tayo kasi tayo po ay mga gawang Pilipino na patuloy na sumisikap na baguhin ang ating kinabukasan para sa mga kabataan. So, but before that, I would like to acknowledge, of course, our thanks to Tau Gamma Phi Sigma, led by Councilor Sir Alex Infante Ututalong, for being in solidarity with the LGU in providing us with breakfast Aras Caldo for everyone here in the Boulevard. Of course, I know Vice Mayor Nims is on his way. Also would like to thank Kadiwa of the City Agriculture, our friends who brought their goods, and these are fresh products from the land, the fertile land of Isabela de Basilan. Maraming salamat. Dagan kayong salamat sa atong mga uma. Maraming salamat. Of course, our fellow employees, department heads, I see Engineer Rayman, Ma'am Gina, nakita ko dito, at marami pang iba na hindi ko nakikita. Baka nakikita nyo. Then, of course, our employees and our board of judges will be formally introduced later. So maraming salamat. Our IT division, CIO, Tourism Office. So yun, this is the second cooking contest as part of the Sakayan Festival 2026. Why do we advance culinary? Because culinary and food are always and will always be part of the tourist experience every time a tourists go to a particular place. As I've said this morning in an interview, a GMA program, sinabi ko na the more senses na exposed sa isang tao, the more the experience will be memorable sa kanya. And food is very important. And we're hoping that our food will be part or mas maging known sa Philippine landscape of culinary. And we're very fortunate that because of our multicultural, diverse identity, makikita natin na sobrang maganda at makulay ang ating mga pagkain. And of course, we have fresh food, fresh catch, and everything dito na sa Isabela. So, let's enjoy. Dead man na yung diet for today. Kain lang tayo ng kain hanggang sa maging masaya tayo kasi talaga namang pagkain makes us happy. So, yun. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. And let's enjoy the day. And we're almost done with our Sakayan Festival. We're also inviting everyone for the closing ceremonies tomorrow. We'll have a fluvial parade from here to Fego and closing program will be in Fego tomorrow evening, and tonight sa grandstand will be the last day of our Comida Isabela, another showcase of our food extravaganza here in Isabela de Basilan. Muli, maraming salamat. Magsukol on behalf of the LGU, led of course by our Mayor Dada Turabina Taman, who is sending her greetings of anniversary and celebration to everyone. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Sir Claude. So at this point, to ensure a smooth and fair competition, let us now proceed with the reading of the contest guidelines to be read by Ms. Hazel P. Tat.
So good morning everyone. The first category will allow the team to prepare a complete course from appetizer to 3 main course. These food entries should be in many ways represent Isabela de Basilan, reflecting its rich and untapped bounty and the many undiscovered wonders in terms of culinary. The team will have 1.5 hours to prepare all these in Sakayan decoration plating arrangement. Teams shall prepare for at least 5 platings. The challenge will advance the team's time management and creativity, as they will ask to prepare food out of purchased ingredients from the budget given to them by the organizer. So 30 minutes was given to the team for the marketing. And then the 4,000 pesos for the full course meal budget. For the second challenge, once they have the collected ingredients they need, they will have to prepare the food in an hour using the secret ingredient. The team shall plate up 5 full plates of their food showcase. We will give a budget of 1,000 for the second category. The secret ingredient will be revealed through clues and other exciting trivia. The revelation of the ingredient will be done after everyone has arrived from the market. The first category, the teams are required to submit their recipe. So they have submitted already. And then we'll give 1.5 hours. So first category will be 1 appetizer, 2 main course, and then 1 dessert, kasama si drinks at saka si rice po.
So at this point, let us all acknowledge our esteemed judges. First, she is a dedicated public servant with strong experience in health services, governance, and tourism management. She is a former municipal councilor of Sumisip and was actively involved in a non-government organization. Currently, she serves as the Municipal Tourism Officer of Sumisip and the Business Manager of the Bangsang Moro Association of Tourism Officers. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our esteemed judge, Ms. Lenny A. Handang. And for our second judge, she is a dedicated professional and advocate for environmental sustainability, currently serving as a cluster coordinator for the Ecological and Environmental Stability Cluster of the Climate Reality Project Philippines, and a proud member of Executive Master in Disaster Risk and Crisis Management Batch 6. Let us welcome Ms. Janine Vicente. For our third judge, she is employed at the age of 20 at the office of the mayor in 1971. She has dedicated her career to public service, serving under several distinguished leaders, namely Mayor Leroy S. Brown, Mayor Ricardo G. Mon, Mayor Alvin G. Dance, Mayor Herminio M. Montebon, Mayor Benjamin R. Valencia, Mayor Leonardo Pioquinto, Mayor Luis R. Biel, Mayor Rodolfo Itan, and Mayor Charlene S. Akbar. In 2014, she reached her compulsory retirement as City Human Resource and Management Officer. To this, she firmly upholds the belief that a public servant is and will always be a servant of the people. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Otilia Wong Rica Blanca. And for our last judge, he is the president of Sadja Projects, a corporation focused on environmental and cultural initiatives. He has extensive experience managing projects on museum and exhibition development. His previous works include the Philippine Pavilion at the World Expos in Japan and Spain, institutional projects with UP Manila, the College of St. Benilde University of Santo Tomas, National Museum of the Philippines, and the Cultural Center of the Philippines. He is currently working with the Isabela City LGU on an ongoing museum projects. Let us all welcome Mr. Inigo Roberto Pastor Roses. So, thank you po. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for.
So, ready na bang lahat?
Mukhang ready na po sila, Ma'am Hayes. Magsisimula na ba tayo?
So, kompleto na ba ang lahat?
Yan, mukhang ready na. Nasaan si Cluster 1? How about si Cluster 2? Yan, ready sila.
Cluster number 3.
Ayun, si Cluster number 3. How about Cluster number 4?
And then a cluster number 5.
Yes, mukhang
So,
ready na sila, Ma'am Hayes.
Yes, paalaala balik. So reminders, kailangan yung 5 members nyo lang andyan sa working table nyo.
Po, dapat wala pong audience sa may mga tables. Dito lang po ang audience natin sa harapan.
So we will give you 1 hour
and
and
30 seconds. 30 minutes, I mean.
1 hour and 30 minutes for the full course meal. First category po. So, timer, Nikki, please.
So, ito na po. Magsisimula na po tayo for our timer.
Okay.
In
3, 2,
1, go! So, ayan nga, Ma'am Hayes.
So, check natin.
Kompletong
in every
recados,
area.
kompleto ang kanilang mga kagamitan.
So,
For the cluster 1, nandito na si Sir Saddam. Where have you been, sir? Bakit ka late?
So, cluster number 1.
So, for the cluster number 1,
Cluster number 1, City General Services Office, City Veterinary Office, City Cooperative Office, and City Assessor's Office. So, lahat sila, mga lalaki.
labanan ng mga lalaki. So, for our cluster number 2, nasaan si cluster number 2?
So, cluster
Attendance
number 2.
check. Charot.
So, cluster number 2 composes of City Agriculture Office,
City Environmental and Natural Resources Office,
Sangguniang Panglungsod.
and of course, our City Engineering Office.
So, pag nakikita dito sa cluster number 2, medyo bongga kasi andito yung head nila sa agriculture,
True, nandyan po si
Ma'am Gina. So, cluster number 3 tayo.
Ma'am Hayes, cluster number 3, nasaan si cluster number 3?
Yes, for the cluster number 3, we have the City Treasury, City Legal Office, City Accounting Office,
City Budget Office, and
City Planning and Development Office.
Ang focus na po sila sa nilang mga ginagawa. Mamaya-maya lang ay maaamoy na natin ang mga aroma ng
Niluluto nila.
luto nila.
So, for the cluster number 4, we have the...
Ang last year champion natin ng Enea Kusina.
So, for the cluster number 4, we have the Office of the City Mayor composes of
Business Permit and Licensing Office,
City Records Office,
City Security Division Office, led by po
Local Youth Development Office, Person with Disability Office, City Administrator's Office,
and City Information Technology Office.
we have also the PESO, City Human Resource Management Office, and City Registrar's Office. So for the cluster number 5, the last cluster, so for the cluster number 5, we have City Population and Development Office, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, City Health Office, and City Social Welfare and Development Office.
So last year, Ma'am Hayes, sila po yung third place ng ating Beneyak Kusina the LGU Cooking
Wow.
Competition.
Memorize
Ngayon
mo talaga,
kaya,
Nick, no? Parang nakalimutan.
nakalimutan mo na.
Actually, nakalimutan ko na. So, ikaw memorize mo pa talaga kung sino yung...
Chinek ko kasi.
Wow, nag-research ka talaga.
Nag-search talaga. Yun.
Okay, so nakakita na natin yung mga judges natin na chine-check yung every cluster natin for their preparation.
May naamoy na ako, Ma'am Hayes, yung ginigisa ng mga sibuyas at bawang.
So, dito tayo ulit sa cluster number 1.
Parang nagpo-food carb.
Na-amaze ako kasi lalaki sila lahat. Alam kaya dito yung ginagawa nila?
Pero Ma'am Hayes, naniniwala ka ba na yung mga lalaki mas masarap magluto?
Yes, yes. May nag-react sa likod. Siyempre daw.
Siyempre? Okay.
So nakikita mo, Sir Saddam, kung paano ano pa yan. Boss!
Boss.
Yes, boss!
Boss.
Bata!
May mga new faces ba tayo, Ma'am Haze? Ngayon?
Yes, kasi nung last year kasi yung cluster nila, andito si ano pa yan, si Dr. Halaw that time.
Oo.
So sa ngayon, parang yung boss lang dito, parang si Sir Saddam lang. Pero sabi ni Sir Saddam, bata lang daw siya.
Bata.
Hindi daw boss. So dito naman tayo sa next cluster ni si.
Cluster number 5.
So cluster number 5. Ito yung mga usually sa mga health, ano ba yan.
Yes. Healthy tayo dito.
Kasi dito yung CHO. CHO, Papo.
Parang
So,
mga new
nagsasaing na
faces
sila.
ang mga nasa cluster 5, Ma'am. Tama ba?
Yun yung last year, ano pa yan, sa cluster 5. Cluster 5 ba rin pa sila last year? So, yung cluster nila last year was, andito si Ma'am Joy, at saka si Ma'am Penchi actually. So, sa ngayon, lahat sila mga ano pa yan, staff lang.
Staff na manggagawa.
Nakikita mo ba, Nikki, yung sa cluster number 2? Ano yung prepare nila? Wow! May mantis sila. Lapu-lapu. Hindi daw alam ni Nikki ang isda na to. Please na lang, Nikki. Pag-aralan mo.
Ang alam ko lang, manok.
Chicken lang kasi favorite.
Chicken. At talong yan dito. Carrot. Saan ang mga lampas?
So, medyo busy na sila masyado. Nag-start na din ng ano pa yan, pagluluto ni cluster number 2. So, nagluluto na si sous chef, si Marlon. At saka si Ma'am Gina, yung master chef nila. Chicken. So, dito naman tayo sa cluster number 4. Tingnan natin. So, medyo busy na sila. So, seafoods
Yan, si
din.
Ma'am Gemma.
Seafoods din yung handa nila actually dito. So, may chicken din sila.
Chicken. Ano kaya ang kanilang ihahanda? Abangan. Ayan, si Ma'am Gemma. Siguradong masarap to ang mga pagkain nila. Hello, Ma'am Gem.
Busy na din si Lovelyn.
Busy talaga.
Si Lovelyn, busy na din. Nasa likod.
Sige po, dito muna kami sa cluster number 3.
So, cluster number 3, nandito din yung mga judges natin. Sine-check na nila kung ano yung mga inihahanda ng mga clusters natin.
Gulaman.
So, as we can see, wow, dessert na yung inihanda nila. Dessert na ba yan, ma'am? Wow, dessert na. Nauna sila sa dessert. Dapat kasi kailangan
I-cool down pa siya.
cool down pa yung jelly.
Ang ating gulaman.
Alis, Nikki, nakikita mo yung oil. Baka maliit sa oil ngayon. At busy